Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Come on in, we family. So as you can see by the title, I am trying yet another Amazon wig synthetic. This is a 20 inch. It is a 99J. You know, I love this color, so I was really hoping that it turned out right. But if you watch the review, you'll see my full input and why I would advise you guys what to do about this wig. But as you watch the review, you will get my full input on my opinion and my view on the wig. So if you want to see how I got this wig on, just continue to watch this video. And don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. This is how the package comes. It's in a little baggie where you can store the hair once you take it out. It comes with a wig cap. The hair is wrapped in a net. It's very long. It's giving me the same feel as I did before. See, I got a little bit of layers here, which is good because I like layers. It makes it look more natural. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is their 20-inch wig, and that is all that comes with this unit. This one, I can tell you already, I'm not feeling it, and I'm not feeling it for some reason. This rig already, I'm not liking, but we're gonna try to finesse it. One thing I don't like about it is that this is how the parting area looks, which means I'm going to have to see if I can cut this out so that I can color it, or I'm going to have to finesse the part. I don't, like, it's giving me an automatic part. I don't like that. And there's no lace, so it's already pre-cut. I don't like that. And it came with no stocking cap. So, yeah. No wonder it was like 20 bucks. Let's see what we're going to do. So let me go ahead and put my stocking cap on. And I'm going to color the part. I don't have to cut the cap or anything because it's not here. So we can just come back and actually put the wig on and see where we can go from there. All right, so I have the cap on. I kind of did a little bit on the part. This may be one of those true, like, it's a synthetic wig type of situation, but we're going to stay positive and let's do it. What y'all think? I don't like it. It's like a top hat. Why is it so thick up here? I don't like it. This ain't it. Y'all, I'm going to have to go under here and see if it's something I can do to flatten the top. Because it would be okay if I could flatten the top. I don't know, y'all. This may not be the one. Yeah. It just seems like it really gives me a vibe like somebody's already worn this hair before. Did I cut anything, y'all? No. It's shedding already. This ain't it. This ain't it. This ain't even doing what I wanted it to do. This is not it. Oh my goodness, y'all. This right here is just really what's getting me. And I don't know if I need to pull it up. No, you can't even do it. No. No. But if I take this out, I feel like if I take this part out, it's going to... Ooh, that's pushing it, y'all. We will definitely be pushing it. But I feel... Okay, so I'm opening up this part. So I'm going to cut this out. And we're going to come back and see if this fixes everything. I wanted to come on here and show you guys why I'm so not satisfied. I'm not satisfied with this wig. They had... Okay, so I took the little thing off. They had this wig flipped over like this. How is that okay? So I'm about to... Hopefully we don't mess it up too hard. But I'm about to cut all of this off. And I hope this flattens it some more. But we'll see. This wig is definitely a no. No. It's a no. And I'm going to tell them. I'm going to put a report on there too. Because even in... I mean, y'all see my reviews for other synthetic wigs. It still don't have to be like this. And it sheds... Oh my gosh. This thing is shedding crazy. Yeah. Let me get this wig together. We're going to see. Okay, how y'all feeling? Stressing me out, y'all. I don't know how y'all feel about it, but it's stressing me. It does look better, but now you can see, like, I have to cut that piece a little bit more. Yo, I'm so glad that we have photo editors now, because I'm telling you right now, this could not... I'm gonna have to like jack up the whole front of this. So, phew. I almost want to... I'm gonna put it on 10. I'm really scared to use this. Look at this. We gotta fix that, y'all. And what's so crazy about it is I honestly can't cut it out, because when I was looking, it looks like that's how the hair is put in on the center, which is really crazy. Yeah. Yeah. This is definitely like one of them situations where you're just gonna take one for the team. And yeah, this is definitely an L for sure. No, see, that's too close. Look at that. This gotta lay flatter. No, the wig is no lace. Maybe I didn't read the directions too good. This ain't that bad now. But I like this color, and that's why I really wanted this wig. But we're gonna have to figure that out. I noticed. See, this is already feeling too hot. Well, a good thing is, I don't know where the piece just went to, but you can curl it. I don't know where that little piece just went to, but I did have a piece that did not burn and it was successful. Here we go. So you can curl it, so that is at least saving it. But this thing right here, and I honestly don't know. This little section right here ain't doing it, y'all. It's really not a good little section at the top. You already know I'm gonna have to get dressed to really give this full look a feel. So let me come back once I get dressed and I'm gonna give a full review on this hair. All right, guys. This is pretty much what I came up with for this look. Obviously, because of the way the top of the wig is, I'm going to have to wear something that's going to cover that because it's just not to my likings. I don't like that. So, as you can see here, rocking my hat, give you guys fall vibes. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put my black hat on or this hat, but I feel like this hat gives more of a fall look and kind of like what I have going on. So, hopefully it looks good once I get my shoes on and everything together as I'm about to step out the door. But guys, for the most part, this is the final look. My overview on the wig, it's a no for me. It's a no for me for several reasons. One, it's crazy shedding. Secondly, is how the closure part is. There's no lace. There's no way to make it look more natural. The color is great. That's a plus. The length is good. It does take heat. But for the most part, the shedding is too much. And the closure part, as you can see, is not working because I have to wear a hat just to wear the wig. Like this, it's not, it looks fake. I don't want that. I don't want it to look fake for me. So that would be my suggestion for anyone. If you don't care about it making it looking real fake, buy it. But if you care about looking natural, this is not the wig or unit for you. So I would definitely advise you to try out some different units. But if you want to see the wig and make sure you can reference what not to get, I will put the link in the description below. I'm sorry, my camera may look a little different, y'all, because one camera died, so I am now using my phone. But if you like this video and you did make it this far, please don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.